So, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Serrano. Finally, the answered prayer indeed, no? My message for both of you. Sa mga iba po hindi nakakaalam, kami po ay magkaibigan ni Sophie since Denmark time. Yeah, so we are au pair. At totoong sobrang naging mabuting kaibigan si Sophie sa amin. So, isa siya sa pinakamalapit naming kaibigan sa Denmark. At nakita namin kung paano siya magmahal at kung paano niya, kung baga, searching for love. And I believe this is really the right time talaga, God's time sa inyo. So, ang mahambal ko lang sa imo, kay para komportable gid kita kay Ilongga man gid, no? Ilongga ni siya. But yang mahambal ko sa imo nga I'm happy for you. We are rejoicing with you. Kag hindi nyo lang malipatan nga maglipay-lipay. Have fun. Huwag ka masyadong seryoso. Mag-ano ka mo as mag-asawa. Kag mag-trip to Jerusalem ka mo. Mag-bring me ka mo sa balay nyo. Basta enjoy. Amo tong hambal ni Pastora kagay nang enjoy ang pagmamahalan ninyo. At yun lang ang aking masasabi. Congratulations and we love you. O si Sis Nobs na naman.
Once again, welcome to the club. Welcome to the married life season of your life, Sophie. And we thank God that you found your soulmate, Kuya Alan. So, since Denmark time, I think 6 years ago, no? Nung nag-start kami as au pair and lahat kami is single. And we are ready to mingle. But we are committed to the Lord first, of course. And we know that this is the day na binigay ng Lord na magkaroon ka ng lifetime partner. And it is His will na magkaroon kayo ng unity and to serve Him together. And we believe na you will prosper in everything that you do kasi si Lord yung center ng relationship ninyo. And as we rejoice, kung balikan ko yung time 6 years ago nung nasa Denmark tayo as a single, di ba? We have our time, everything. But here, iba na yung season natin and we journey together in this life. So, I thank God also for kay Sis May. And yun, Kuya Alan, you know, the drill. Basta Ilongga, guwapa, kag mabuot, mabait, yun. So, ang mga Ilongga, pag nag-aaway sila, hindi mo sila napapansin na nag-aaway kasi nga, malambing ang mga Ilongga. So, we rejoice with you. We thank God binigyan kami ng pagkakataon to be part of your journey. And if you have any questions, you have any clarifications, we are welcome to answer. And just one tip, magkaroon kayo ng sarili niyong ano tawag nito? Yung blanket. Para less away, you know. So, thank God sa buhay nyo and congratulations once again.
Good evening po sa ating lahat. Sa mga hindi po nakakakilala sa akin, ako nga po pala si Aileen, friend ni Sophie since 2022. Short story lang po about the bride. Nagkakilala po kami sa Sangkro. And then, naging magkaibigan po kami. Halos everyday, nasa bahay po ako ng amo ni Sophie. And then, finally, Sophie, eto na yon. You're getting married na talaga as in. Congratulations and best wishes. And sana magkaanak ka na rin. Tumatanda na. And God bless you both. We love you.
Good evening, everyone. to our dear couple, Alan and Sophia. Thank you for choosing me as your principal sponsor. It's truly an honor for me to be witness and part of this beautiful, meaningful moment of your life. As you begin this new journey together, may you remind the marriage is not about perfection. It's about progress, growing together, learning together, understanding, and choosing each other again and again every single day. As is written in 1 Corinthians 3:7, love is patient, love is kind. It always protects, always trusts, always hope, always persevere. May this kind of love to be foundation of your marriage. Above all, keep God in the center of your relationship. Let Him guide you, strengthen you, and the foundation of your home. Today, I don't just stay here like witness. I stand here as someone who commits to pray for you, support you, and guide you when you need it. May your life together be filled with joy, peace, and goodness blessing. Congratulations, Alan and Sophie. May God bless your union always. Everyone, please raise your glasses at lifelong love, fight, and happiness. Cheers! Et vive les mariés!
Yes. We do it French style. Hi everyone. Alan, Sophie, we are very honored to be here tonight with you for this fantastic wedding. We used to say that France is a country of love, and I think that for you, it's definitely true. You met on Valentine's Day, you got married for your civil wedding on Valentine's Day. Sophie, you made us the honor and the luck to enter in our life a few years ago, in the life of Olivia, Hector, Arthur, and me. And now we are very, very happy to welcome you as well, Alan, as well, in our family. So, please, I'm gonna try it. I hope you will understand. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal.
Thank you so